What's up, Adventure Buddies? Right now we're here camping in this beautiful forest. So we're gonna try our new fire starter, Bigfoot Bushcraft.
So quick interruption here. Make sure you stick around to the end where we're gonna announce our giveaway with Bigfoot Bushcraft. You won't wanna miss it.
First, we're gonna open our travel tin fire plugs, which are these, and there's clear instructions in here that says, first, you bend the plug in half and back and forth. So we take the plug out. So as soon as we have the fire plug, we bend it back and forth to get the fibers exposed. Just do that for a little bit. Here, how we got so much fibers exposed. A good method to do this is like doing this, kind of pulling it apart and pushing it in and pulling it apart and rolling it around everywhere. Just as soon as you get this, that's what gets it lit. Now that we got the fibers exposed, we got a flint tool and then put this down in the fire.
Our product review of the travel tin with the fire plugs along with the flint rod to get our fire started. And so as you saw, this was tested both by the kids as well as myself, and it was super easy and held up to all the tests that the product said it would. And so if you're looking for a convenient way to start fires, we highly recommend checking out Bigfoot Bushcraft, and we'll have all their details down here below. And so speaking of details, we are proud to announce that we have partnered with Bigfoot Bushcraft in announcing a product giveaway. And so please follow us along on our Instagram at the handle below and follow the directions in the caption. If so, you have the potential to win the following items: a travel tin with 30 fire plugs, a flint rod for your fire starter, as well as some cool Adventure Buddies gears. Gianna, what are they gonna win?
You can win a nice hat and sunglasses.
So make sure you follow us along at Adventure Buddies 42 on Instagram and enter to win this product giveaway. And so we leave you with this: life's an adventure.
Who are you going with?